How to unprivate your TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open TikTok application, log in with your account details. After that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do, in your profile, you will see 3 lines at the top right corner. Simply click on it and go to Settings and Privacy from the menu. Again go to Privacy. At the top you will see the option of Private account will be toggled on if your TikTok account is private. To simply make a public account, toggle off the feature of private account, but make sure after you make it public, everyone will have access to your content. So that's it. That is how easily you can make your TikTok account public. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.